Here I am applying my first coat of paint. You might notice some bulky areas. That is where I would fill nicks in the wood, and the paint will cover those nicely. This is a beautiful off-white color by Fusion Mineral Paint called Champlain. Now I am distressing for a nice aged look along edges and corners and details. I'm using 60 grit sandpaper and applying moderate pressure. This is just a detail. I'm not overly distressing the table. The tabletop was very orange, so I decided to try to lighten it with some bleach. Now I'm going to play with some stain colors. First I'm applying Driftwood by Fusion Mineral Paint, a really pretty gray color. Next I try some Ebony from Minwax, which is almost a black. I'm trying to really remove that orange of the wood, and this will do a good job of darkening everything. Next I apply some paint to create this really cool look on the top. So as you see, I am kind of dry brushing some strokes, then I come over it with a paper towel and push down so that it blends in the paint. I don't want heavy brush strokes all over. In some parts, yes, but I also want some blended looks. This is going to add a lot of charm to the tabletop. So here I'm going along the edges and using my paper towel. Now I'm on my second coat to try to soften some of the first coat. I do want to leave some of the dark of the stain exposed underneath, but I'm brightening up. This is going to be a very farmhouse look, so I still want to give things a lighter aesthetic. For my final step, I'm going to apply one of my favorite waxes, Folk Art Antiquing Wax. It gives everything a really blended, enriched finish, and it softens the look. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial of my chic farmhouse inspired look. Thank you so much for watching.